Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the easiest and most efficient way to build a beautiful, fully functional church website using Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete site that's ready to share with your congregation or community. Even if you've never built a website before, don't worry. I'll make sure every part is clear and straightforward. Let's dive right in and get started. The real secret to building your website quickly and professionally is using Wix templates. Templates are like starting blocks that give you a strong, attractive foundation for your site. Imagine them as a set of blueprints that you can redesign to match your vision. The best part is, templates save you tons of time and eliminate the stress of starting from scratch. Plus, you get to see what's possible, which sparks ideas about what would suit your church best. Remember, you can customize every part later, so start with a solid framework that feels close to your needs. Once you're logged into your Wix account, you'll find yourself on the site dashboard. From here, look for the Create New Site button. Go ahead and give that a click. Wix will guide you through a quick series of questions, but for the template selection, you want to find what's called a Studio template. This brings up a curated selection of professionally designed websites, perfect for all sorts of organizations, including churches. Now, here's an important moment that I always advise. Take a little time to browse through the templates and really think about what you want your website to represent. Is it a space focused on welcoming new visitors? A resource hub for members? Maybe a blend of both. Search specifically for church to see designs that other churches have used. Don't stress if you're unsure at first. You're not locking anything in. Consider things like the color scheme, the overall mood, and the layout. Will big, bold images work for your church, or is a simpler, text-driven look more appropriate? There's no single right answer, but choosing a template that feels close to your vision is going to make everything easier. After you select the template that catches your eye, you'll be inside the website editor, and this is where the fun really begins. Now you can start customizing every detail. Click on the headings to change your church's name, the welcome message, or any phrases you want to highlight. Swap out the default images with photos of your actual building, congregation, or special events. This is your chance to make the website feel truly personal. Don't rush here. Take your time to adjust text and layouts, and even play with fonts and colors to match your church's vibe. If you get stuck, remember, there's always an undo button, and Wix has handy guides right in the editor. Once you're happy with the design, and it might take a few moments of tweaking, all that's left is to click the Publish button. That's the magic step that moves your site from behind the scenes to out in the world. After publishing, simply head to your live site link. Congratulations, you've just built your church website. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips on custom features, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.